For over 30 years, time has brought great changes to the world. Like an artery extending on the vast land of China, the project to send electricity from China's western region to the eastern region as a key landmark project for the development of China's western region, constantly injects powerful vitality into the national economic development in the new era. Taking advantage of the favorable policies of the Belt and Road, Jiangxi QOCI Electric Co Limited, QOCI follows the national development strategy and is striding forwards to respond to the call of the era. During development and manufacturing of glass and porcelain insulators, QOCI experiences the excellence and charm of the project to send electricity from China's western region to the eastern region, and the project to transform power grids. QOCI was founded in December 2002 with a registered capital of 108 million yuan. QOCI is located in Electro-Ceramics Industrial Park, Luxi County, with a total area of over 10 hectares. QOCI is a modern manufacturer focusing on development, manufacturing, and marketing of 10 to 1000 kilovolt glass and porcelain insulators. QOCI adheres to the development concept of innovating by technology, manufacturing quality products, building an honest enterprise, and taking social responsibility, engages high-quality technical personnel and senior management personnel, adopts globally advanced energy-saving oxygen-enriched combustion technology, and has a full automatic glass insulator production line with the annual output of 20,000 tons. QOCI is a national-level high-tech enterprise and a qualified supplier of State Grid and Southern Power Grid. QOCI's products have obtained the test reports issued by 3 major national extra-high voltage testing organizations in Beijing, Wuhan, and Xi'an, and the certifications of the ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System, the ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, and the OHSAS 18001 Occupational Health System. QOCI has provided products for high-speed railways, such as the Jingguang High-Speed Railway and the Hukun High-Speed Railway, and the key projects of the project to send electricity from China's western region to the eastern region, and the project to transform power grids, such as the extra-high voltage multi-terminal DC demonstration project to send electricity from Wudongde Power Station to Guangdong and Guangxi, the 500 kilovolt capacity expansion project for Beizheng Lines A and B, and the 500 kilovolt capacity expansion project for Shunguang Lines A and B. QOCI's business network covers more than 20 provinces, autonomous regions, and municipalities. Meanwhile, QOCI also exports products to over 10 other countries and regions. QOCI provides better and more reliable products for construction of domestic and foreign power grids. QOCI has kept forging ahead, strengthened the brand awareness and innovation, deepened the technical head system, actively cooperated with Material Science and Engineering School of Nanchang University and Computer School of Nanchang Hong Kong University, set up a research and development team, and concentrated on research of new type high-strength functional glass manufacturing technology, and development of insulation equipment for power transmission and transformation. QOCI has conducted experiments and tests repeatedly day and night, and had the independent ability in research and development of functional glass and line insulators by constantly absorbing mature glass and porcelain insulator manufacturing technologies. QOCI gives priority to responsibility in good faith. QOCI has been certified as a AAA trustworthy enterprise, with more than 20 patents for inventions and utility models. In a bid to win a good reputation among customers, buy quality products, and earn respect in the market by honesty, QOCI strives to strengthen management of production and operation, improves product quality, and creates more value for customers. QOCI puts people first and assumes responsibility. Chuanxin attaches importance to training of employees in adopting a safe approach, improves the awareness of safety, and fully meets safety requirements. Chuanxin has been certified as a provincial demonstration enterprise in risk prevention and control, and a Grade 2 production enterprise in safety standardization. Meanwhile, Chuanxin has built the home of CPC members and the people, so as to strengthen the leadership and build a warm haven. Chuanxin guarantees the work and life quality of employees, organizes employees to study further, and carry out activities for team building. Based on current situations, Chuanxin takes a long-term perspective. With an open attitude, Chuanxin embraces brand new changes in the new era of Industry 4.0 and actively adapts to intelligent manufacturing. Chuanxin constantly tries to combine the traditional industry with intelligent technologies, is a pilot enterprise in commercializing major special national technological results, and further optimizes and promotes new industrial production. Chuanxin makes good preparations to forge ahead in order to achieve the medium and long-term goal of sending electricity from China's western region to the eastern region, and achieving the nationwide interconnection of power grids and the mutual power supply between China's northern region and the southern region. The down-to-earth people of Chuanxin are full of vitality in following the trend of high-speed national development for construction and safe, reliable operation of global power grids through increasingly professional production and services.